It's October 7th, 2016. Gorgeous day outside. It's nice and cool finally. It's not humid anymore. I ordered a drone over a month ago. So, fingers crossed. Hopefully, it'll be here today. It's here in Japan somewhere. Just waiting on it to be delivered. It is 4:10 a.m. Monday morning, Tokyo Standard Time. Well, I'm sure you can probably tell by the look on my face, the look of pure joy and excitement. The drone didn't come in. And Monday's a holiday, so that's just one more day of waiting that I have to do. No drone, disappointment. On a brighter side, we've come up with a new title for our podcast, Throwing Down with Andy. We had the fortune of getting Nate Rock Quarry on the show. Go to madsisproductions.com. It was awesome, man. Nate's a great guy. He was such a good sport coming on the show. We really, really appreciate it. The next time you see me, I hope to have the drone, but this guy's not holding his breath. Okay, maybe a little bit, but anyway, you know, Al Pacino still don't have the drone. Okay, all right. Well, I'll see you later. It's October 11th. It's Tuesday. It's the day after the holiday, and yet now it is over a month. So now it's like, you know, the excitement is pretty much gone. I said, screw it, I'm gonna use a different approach today to get this drone here a little bit quicker. So I got up, brushed my teeth, did my thing, got ready, and look what appeared. Cool. So let's go check it out. Finally, the DJI Phantom 3 Standard. Man, the box so pretty, I almost don't even want to open it. I'm just kidding, I'm gonna open it. Okay, so here's the stickers. Got a bunch of different color stickers. Yeah. Quick start guide, safety guidelines. Alright, so here's the box. Okay, so controller, and of course the drone itself, charger, accessory pack. These are the blades. Dude, I am so excited to have this freaking thing. You have no idea. I'm gonna blame Chris for this basically, because until he got one, I figured I had no need for one whatsoever. And then he got one, and we started messing with it, and we saw the awesome footage that he got with the thing, and I'm like, gotta have one now, especially for the project that we have coming up next year called Rest Area. It's going to be a short film. It's based loosely on my short story that I wrote. You can find it on Amazon.com. It's called A Time to Abdicate, and I'm going to talk about that. So you can see back here's the battery. We'll get this thing on charge here. This thing's very lightweight. Controller, you got your joysticks here, and then you have your clip that you're going to use to put your phone on. It's a pretty cool little case with the blades come in. There we go. Got the blades. Accessories box right here. It's got some extra shock absorbers here, and then of course the battery charger connecting to the battery. So this little door opens up right here. Pop that right on in there. Just like so. So we're gonna get this sucker charging. As I was going through to look at everything, I realized I got stiffed on the owner's manual. But no big deal. Say hi, Liam.
Hi. My name's Liam. I got a new jack lantern.
This is my helper today. Pull these little stickers off of the motors here. Do you want this sticker?
Yay. Ew.
You want this one?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes, he says.
I want every one of them.
He wants all of them. Okay, so
one day I throw.
oh, look out! We gonna put it up in the air this time. That's right.
I'm here.
So I'm gonna put it together, put the propellers on it, setting this up so we get the phone in it. Okay, so we get the phone on the controller as such. So I'm gonna log into the DJI app here.
Hey, dude.
Get to the app, and then we're gonna calibrate and go from there. Here we go, calibration. So you can't tell right now, but I'm gonna auto land it. It's up in the sky, it's too high for you to see, but I'm gonna activate the auto land feature. So as you can tell, that thing is pretty awesome. It landed by itself, almost not exactly the spot where I created the new home spot, but pretty darn close. This thing was definitely worth waiting over a month to get, even though I was very frustrated with it. It's a 2.7K camera on a 3-axis gimbal on this drone, and it's phenomenal. So I'm gonna go play.